Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Clara Zila and I do videos on luxury handbags and fashion items. So today I'm very excited to have another unboxing for you from Chanel. It is, as you can see from the title, Chanel earrings and a necklace and a belt. So I just picked this up and I just wanted to share these items with you. As you can see, it is Chinese New Year here in Hong Kong. So it's got the special red packaging with the red camellia and the red ribbons, which is so pretty. So without further ado, let's unbox these items. So the first item I have is a Chanel lambskin belt. This is in the size 85, so it works for me both for pant size and I can wear this slightly above my waist. It is in black lambskin and it has a bit of a shine on it, as you can see, and I think this will work really great with pants. So you can kind of see what that looks like. And I like that it's a pure black color, so this should go with a lot of items. And so this is one of the first items I got today. And now on to some of the jewelry and accessories that I got today. So these are some Chanel vintage gold CC earrings. I really like that these do have a vintage look, and I'm just gonna put up some photos of what they looked on when they tried them in the store. And here's what they look like up close. And this is approximately what they look like on me. But I really like these for the vintage look. I think these will go well with both casual wear and also you can dress them up. But I really like the vintage vibe of these earrings. So if you're interested in these are available from this season. So let's move on to the next item. So these are another pair of Chanel CC rainbow colored studs. They did come out with these in a previous season, however they appear to be back. The crystals and the earrings tend to be a bit more vivid, so I like that this is a little different with the different colored crystals. What was really interesting was that the price of these were less expensive than the ones from the previous seasons. So again, this is how they look on my ears. And I think these will look great with casual clothing or with any of the clothing with any of these colors on them. So I'm really happy to have picked these up, and these were a good price knowing what Chanel prices are for earrings. I mean, they're by no means inexpensive, however they were well priced for a Chanel earring. So the final item that I also wanted to share with you is also an accessory piece. as you can see here, it is a Chanel tag necklace. It says Chanel Paris on here, and it has crystals around there, and it also has crystals embellishments on this. This has a CC logo, and on the back there is nothing. However, it comes in both a longer chain, and you can also wear this as a shorter necklace. There is a ring here, additional ring here, so you can wear it short like this and have it dangling at the back. However, I think this looks best as a long necklace. So sorry, I know this doesn't really go well with my existing outfit with the Chanel pearls and this shirt. This is probably gonna look best with a t-shirt. So I also really like these tags. I know they had tags also from the previous season, which was in more of a vintage gold color. I did not see those in person, but they also look quite cool. But I also thought these were a little different and would look really good with casual clothes. So those are my unboxings for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, as usual, please leave them down below in the comment section below. If you enjoy videos like this, please do like and subscribe. Thank you again for watching, and we hope to see you again soon. Have a nice day now. Bye bye.